kajing Dheng kali kade kajing ekran kabala beteng menta la shipos nam tam hapo kanong ba Shillong pat kadang wan ki snam kadang jur ka baki brio ki kendo bon bha kajing ha kaban penbiang ya kapor hakikam ki jam jong ki kumju ru ya ki khana school kajing Dheng kali kam dai tang ha ka shibenta jong kanong ba Shillong henrai ha baro ki lenti ki surok bat kawai ka daru kadai na kajing bon ki kali kata na kawai ka sngi sha kawai pat bat ki jaka ki ba omlat na kane ki kenthop ya ka dhan gati ka khandai lat ka mot pran ka barek ka than dam sanyong ka polo batru shadu ki penta ka upper Shillong ka Sorkar lingba ka tanat traffic na ka por ka persang banthau ki lat ki lenti ban penyat kali henrai hadu menta kamla satya bat hap rupan shim sada Kiwei ki lat ha ka jingyo banya kendo bat menteri rangba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ha ka khan re tare unai wing araja arpulai lala banyo sngo ba ka Sorkar kala shim ya ka wei ka sen jam dak ba an Pynbun ya ki jaka yang kali ne ki parking lot hanong ba Shillong nakaliang kodrat sang ma ula pentip bakajing sedang kadai lengba kajing sna ya ka wei ka parking lot hakalenti hajan nan polok hak baki kali bat kinong de madan kin yo ban yeng hapo kani ka parking lot badang sna menta kata mar senda bat kata raghar shu ulaong baladan artli ki jaka ban sna multi layer parking lot ka ban yarap ya kajing duna kajing Dheng kali Shillong.
See, traffic is obviously been an issue that has been of concern to the citizens of Shillong. And obviously we have tried many steps, but there have been a lot of challenges. I will refrain from going into details because it will take a lot of time. But everything from parking at different levels or different locations by different individuals, stakeholders, buses, taxis. These are challenges that are there for us, which then lead to further problems. Shifting them will require us to then give them options of moving them and telling them, well, you come there because because if you move them from there, then they'll ask where do we go. So everything has a problem. So therefore, we have to fix it by ensuring that we come out with solutions. Small bits in here and pieces there. So first thing, as I said, we realize is that we need to get the vehicles out from the streets, parked on the streets, and put them in proper parking lots. So the procedure of starting off large number of parking lots has already started. You will see very soon that most probably by Christmas or by January, February, we will see that Watts Lake area will have a new parking lot, just to inform. So just behind the wall that is there and on the side of Taraghar, if you see there is earthwork going on, that's a parking lot that's coming out there. So we will not have the parking vehicles parked there anymore. We'll have them inside. We'll have all the other people who was the vendors, street vendors who are there will be inside. So we need to give space to everybody. Similarly, for example, within the town and secretariat area, already 2 locations have been identified where we're going to come out with parking lots. Multiple level parking lots. So now all those vehicles will not be, or at least most of them will not be in the streets anymore. So our streets will be quite free, and we hope that will lead to some level of decongestion. At the same time, we are also expecting, and we are working on creating parking and waiting space for the taxis and for the buses. So whether it's Kindalat or in Motran, you'll see that taxis wait for 1 hour, 45 minutes, half an hour till they have enough passengers, they don't leave. So buses are the same, and therefore just simply pushing them out may not be a long-term solution. Hence, we need to create an alternative space for them. So we're working on that, and we're expecting that also should fructify soon. At the same time, we're also ensuring that, like for schools, what we have done is that we have started to discourage people from going for personal vehicles. We're encouraging use of buses at different levels, and we would like to do that for even government officials also. So that is also another step that we plan to do.
Hakawai kaliang ukondrat ki sang ma ula pentip baka Sorkar kala donjing temu bansna skywalk na barik point sa Kandailan henry hadin kajing ajing mot na ki Pyllait ula ong baka jing snaya ka skywalk kan nang penjori ka jing Dheng kali na mar kata kadaw ka Sorkar kadang le kat bala ban pendap sway ya Kiwei ki jing sna ban penduna ya ka traffic na lor kita ki jing temu ki balong kum ki jing persang ban pelat ya kanong ba Shillong na ka jing Dheng kali ule thu baka Sorkar ka kentu ya ki school ban penon kam da ka bus bat kum jo ban penslor ya ki nong Sorkar ban penon kam daki kali pajba Hendai ula penrap dak baong balada lala ban pen kan riak no eka administration syakan New Shillong kan long ru ka jing mentoi hakane ka benta.
I had wanted to come up with a skywalk that is going to be from Barik Point to Police Bazaar, and that also was on the cards. Once we went into the implementation mode, we were told by the police department and others that once the construction work starts, it is going to lead to huge traffic congestion. Once the construction of this skywalks starts, so hence, until unless we are able to do other things, we should hold on to the work of the skywalks, which is what we have done right now. So we are waiting. Once the parking lots come up and we see that we're seeing some impact of that, then only we will go ahead with the skywalks and stuff like that. So there are multiple levels of works going on. It will be very difficult for me to explain all of it right now. But I think the biggest thing which we are working on, which you all know, is that we are going to be shifting the entire administration of the state, outside the main part of Shillong. So we are expecting to shift to the new Shillong area for the secretariat, and as you're aware that we have already started the groundwork for it. We are already in the process of getting the design consultants, and we expect that within a few months we should have the designs ready, and even the work we expect that we should be able to start within this financial year itself is what we target. That is before April. We would like to work for the new secretariat to start. So we're hoping that that would be the final process of really leading to long-term decongestion. Because as you know that while we go for this project like this, there are other logistical factors like road connectivity to the new Shillong area. All of these have to be worked out. So we are working on all of that, and I don't want to go too much into details, but it's a very broad question you asked me. So this is roughly in a nutshell what we plan to do.